And that's it. Our mayo is done. Now we're gonna transfer it to a smaller dish.